everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you something truly exciting, a new AI workspace that's changing how teams create together.
It's called Higgsfield Team Plan, and it's the first collaborative Gen AI platform built to help teams generate, share, and organize AI projects all in one place. If you've ever struggled to manage files or coordinate content across apps, this will simplify your work completely. Higgsfield allows you and your teammates to create videos, images, and AI avatars all inside one shared space. Think of it as your creative studio, but smarter. You can invite your whole team, generate visuals, and even store every version of your assets neatly in one workspace. Now let's go into my dashboard so you can see how everything works. Under the account section, you'll see subscription, influencer workspace, team, members, usage, billing, and settings. Right here, I'm inside my influencer workspace. This is where you manage your team, invite members, and track your monthly credits. You can see my plan here with 6,000 credits available. To get started using this subscription, click on subscriptions, then click on team plan to make your payments. As you can see, you can add up to 5 people to your team. Click on select plan and add your payment info to get started. Now let's go to this section where you can auto reload credit when balance reaches certain threshold. Let's say my credit reached 2,000, I'll automatically purchase 3,000 credits. So when my balance runs low, it will be automatically renewed without me stressing myself again. By clicking Save, you agree to our terms of service and privacy policy. You can also manage your invites and seats. For example, I currently have 2 assigned and 3 available. To invite teammates, you simply enter their emails separated by commas, click invite, and they'll receive an access link immediately. Below that, you can view all your team members, their roles, and their current status. For example, you'll see me listed as the owner and my teammate as a member. It's very organized and helps you keep track of everyone working with you. Next, if you go to the workspace section, you can create separate workspaces for different projects. To create a new workspace, click on the Workspace tab, name it, and select whether it's private or shared. This makes it easy to keep your client work, personal content, or campaigns in separate areas. You can even create a workspace just for testing new AI ideas, and that's one of my favorite parts. Everything stays clean and separated. Inside each workspace, you can create assets like videos, images, and talking avatars. You can use built-in templates to speed up your workflow or start from scratch using your own prompts and uploads. For instance, let's say you want to generate a video. You can go to the video section, type your idea, pick a style, and let the AI do the rest. It can even create a talking avatar or a 3D animation for you. If you're more into visuals, the image generator is just as powerful. Have you ever lost track of a file, a draft, or even a full project because it was buried across drives, messages, or emails? That's exactly what Higgsfield is solving with their Team Plan, the first ever shared Gen AI workspace built specifically for creators, teams, brands, studios, and even classrooms. Here's how it works. The Team Plan gives your entire team one organized space for everything you create from your first idea to the final product. No more lost files, no more endless threads, just smooth, real-time collaboration. What makes it unique? Shared assets. Every image, video, or AI generation lives in one library. It's private by default, but shareable instantly. Collaborative folders. Build, review, and refine projects with your team together in real time. Personal and team mode. Experiment privately when you need, then switch to team mode when it's ready to share. Auto top-up credits and analytics. Your team never stops creating, and you can track every project, every generation, and every member's activity. Who benefits from this? Agencies and brands. Coordinate multiple campaigns, versions, and clients without confusion. Teams report faster content delivery, fewer errors, and more consistency. Studios. Different departments can work in parallel in the same workspace from pre-visualization to final delivery. Education. Teachers and students can collaborate in real time, creating projects while learning how Gen AI fits into real production. And here's something really exciting: Higgsfield is running the Global Teams Challenge, where teams using the team plan can compete for a share of $100,000 in prizes. That's right. By organizing your workflow, collaborating efficiently, and showing off your best creative work, you can win cash rewards while using the tools your team actually needs. For larger organizations, the enterprise plan scales even further with custom credit systems, enterprise grade security, admin controls, and SSO access. Essentially, it's designed for any team that wants structure, speed, and creative freedom all in one place. So, whether you're a creator, a brand, an educator, or part of a studio, Higgsfield Team Plan turns teamwork into a real creative advantage. One workspace, one home for all your ideas, and one path to collaborating smarter and maybe even winning $100,000. Ready to take your team to the next level? Check out Higgsfield Team Plan today and start creating together. Even if you're working solo, you'll still benefit from the organized workspace and easy collaboration tools for future projects or clients. And if you want to test it for yourself, you can go to higgsfield.ai, create an account, choose your plan, and start your free workspace setup. You can create a team, invite your members, and explore everything inside the influencer workspace, just like I've shown you. It's quick, it's simple, and once you start, you'll realize how much time it saves. I've personally enjoyed how smooth the system feels: no lag, no confusion, just one platform where all your creative tools finally live together. And that's why I think Higgsfield stands out. It's not just another AI app, it's a professional studio built for collaboration and creativity. So go ahead and give it a try. Build something with your team, explore the templates, and see what AI can help you achieve today. Thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and
I'll
subscribe.
show you
I'll
how
see
I
you in my
made that
next one.
African